there's no candies. Let's see. Steak knife should work. Almost cut myself. All right, try this. Not very good at these unboxing videos. I've already taken these out of the much larger, super well packed box from Bruno, and I've managed to get my space clean enough that I can open these up. I guess I should adjust that too. Maybe that's better. All right, let's have a look. All right. Box is in perfect condition. Set that guy there. Open this one. Same as the first. Pretty perfect box. I know it made the package a lot bigger to ship the boxes, but I'll tuck them up there in my garage attic. As always, if I could read Portuguese, I'd probably have a look at the news, see what's going on over there. I'm sure it's very different and much better than what's going on over here. So, let us have a look. Try to do this methodically. And again, Bruno wraps everything in wrapping, and everything gets wrapped in wrapping, and so on and so forth. I've yet to have any issues with any of the packaging jobs. They've always been perfect. And I did videotape the box, the original box that I opened. I'll try to splice it all together and see what I can come up with. Well, just to even be able to peek in from the rear looks fantastic. This is the Benetton Blitzer Beetle. Wow. And then again, like I said about packing, everything inside packed up as well, just to keep, you know, some fill in the body. This looks absolutely amazing. Like, the pictures don't do it any justice. So look forward to getting some servos mounted in them. I think I'm going to run a Hobbywing Fusion 2-in-1, I think. I don't see why I would put separate components in when I can get 2 components in one these days. So, yeah, splitzer, 3 bobby pins. Always painted on the inside as well. This is it's fantastic. Just fantastic. Front spoilers, rear diffuser, really takes it up a notch. Taking me back, they cleverly wearing a half-gown hat, half a rag, baby got back, dig a please, Mac attack, we rockin' front to back, I need my midnight snack, tic tac, tallywhack, shorty take me home, shorty got them apple bottom jeans, with the fur, the whole club was looking at her, she hit the floor, next thing you know, shorty got low. Admittedly, my eyes aren't as good as they used to be for finding body pinholes. I've been in the hobby 40 years. It is absolutely fantastic, really. Set it in there for now. And on to the next. Bit easier to open. Not a fan of red always, but it's a very deep red, I think. I am colorblind, so it's hard sometimes for me to see the color, but yeah, just as fantastic as the other one. Absolutely fantastic. The front spoiler, the rear diffuser. You did lose the license plate. Not too worried about that. Easy fix. Absolutely love the coloring on that guy. Shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one's around you, say looks like a race I'd watch. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me grab that down. So it's fantastic. I do love my scorchers. I have a couple of piles of them like that to get around to build for my body collection. The Harley one's quite nice. Very similar in pattern to my actual Harley Davidson. So very, very cool. I have more Beetles there. Sand rail we're gonna build up there. Beetle basher, Beetles everywhere. Never actually owned a real Beetle, but anyhow, if you watched it, thank you, I appreciate it. And I don't know what to say about his work, it's just, it's fantastic stuff. That one there is just on a display chassis, 3D printed. So you can just add some wheels and put it on display. So I do tend to build an actual kit for each one. So thanks again, guys.